After explanation, you will be able to tell about negative and positive numbers, tell about negative and positive integers, tell about number line, and add negative numbers and subtract negative numbers. What is a negative number? Negative number is a number which is less than 0. And here you can see on a number line the numbers which are on the left hand side of 0 are negative numbers. So all the numbers which are less than 0 are negative numbers and they are on the left hand side on the number line. Remember that in negative numbers we are having all categories. We can have negative whole numbers, we can have negative fractions, and we can have negative decimal numbers. So all these categories are included in negative numbers. Remember that a negative number is having a negative sign with it, a minus sign with it. Here you can see that -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and -6 are negative numbers. Let me give you more examples. -45, -50, -98, -110, -1024. These all are negative numbers because these numbers are less than 0 and they are having negative sign with them. Now let's come to positive number. What is a positive number? A positive number is a number which is greater than 0. Positive numbers are to the right of 0. Remember that positive numbers are always greater than 0 and they are on the right hand side on a number line. They are on the right hand side of 0 on a number line. Here you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the numbers which are greater than 0 are positive numbers. Remember that positive numbers are also having all categories. Positive numbers can be positive whole numbers, can be positive fractions, can be positive mixed numbers, and can be positive decimal numbers. And when we show them on a number line, they are on the right hand side of the 0. Okay, let me give you more examples. 36, 98, 110, 1034, 7064. These all are positive numbers. Remember that positive numbers are plus sign with them, are having plus sign with them. Here there is no sign. You can see that there is no sign. When a number is not having any sign, it means that that number is a positive number and that is having a positive sign with it. Okay, let's come to positive and negative integers. First, see negative integers. Numbers less than 0 excluding fraction. In negative integers, we are just having whole numbers. We will not include fractions, mixed numbers, decimal numbers in negative integers. Just whole numbers which are less than 0 are negative integers. In the same way, positive integers are whole numbers with positive sign with them and they are greater than 0. Remember that in positive integers we are not having fractions, decimal numbers and mixed numbers. Positive integers and negative integers are whole numbers. Okay ji, here I'll show you the integers on a number line. Here you can see that this positive arrow is showing the positive integers and positive integers are on the right hand side of 0, and this negative arrow is showing the negative integers and negative integers are on the left hand side of 0. Remember that 0 is neither a positive number nor a negative number, and it's neither a positive integer nor a negative integers. So here you can see that these are the integers, and remember that integers are just whole numbers. Positive integers are having positive sign with them and negative integers are having negative sign with them. Okay, while doing the operations of addition and subtraction of negative numbers, you have to remember the multiplication of sign. You have to remember the rules of multiplication of sign. Here, when you will multiply minus and plus, you will get minus. And when you will multiply plus and minus, you will get minus. And when you will multiply minus with minus, you will get plus. In the same way, when you will multiply plus with plus, you will get plus. Remember these rules while adding and subtracting negative numbers. Now I will show you this with the help of these examples. Here you can see that when you are having both positive numbers, so when you will multiply plus with plus, you will get add. It means that you will do the operation of addition. This is plus 2 and plus 5. Plus plus is plus, so you will get 7. Remember that you have to write the sign of the bigger number. So the bigger number is 5 and with 5 it's plus sign. So there is no need to write plus sign with the number. A number without any sign means that is a positive number. That number is having a positive sign. Now see in second, when you multiply minus with minus, you will get add. You will get addition. Minus and minus will become plus. It means that you will do the addition. Here it is minus 2 and minus 5. Minus minus is plus. You will do the addition. 5 plus 2 is 7. Remember that in the answer you have to write the sign of the bigger number. So the bigger number is 5 and with 5 here it is minus sign. So you will put minus sign with 7. So minus 7 is your answer. Now here you can see that when you will multiply plus and minus, you will get subtraction. It means that you will do the operation of subtraction. Plus minus is minus and minus is subtraction. You will subtract plus 2 and minus 5. So you have to subtract smaller number from the bigger number. You will subtract 2 from 5 and you will get 3. Remember that at the end you have to write the sign of the bigger number. So the bigger number is 5 and with 5 it is minus sign. So you will put minus sign with 3. So minus 3 is the answer. Now in the last, when you multiply minus and plus, you will get subtraction. Minus plus is minus. It means that you will do the operation of subtraction. Minus 2 plus 3. When you will subtract 2 from 3, you will get 3. Remember that you have to write the sign of the bigger number. So the bigger number is 5. There is no need to write the sign of plus. So this is 3. Just 3 is the answer. It's a positive 3. Now I'll give you a few more examples. Here you can see that minus 5 plus minus 7. See the right hand side. Minus 5 plus minus 7. Plus minus sign are coming together. So you will multiply them. Plus minus is minus. So it will become minus. So it will become minus 5 and minus 7. Minus minus is plus. It means that you will do the operation of addition. And when you will add 5 and 7, you will get 12. Okay, so 12 and you have to write the sign of the bigger number which is minus. So minus 12 is your answer. In the same way here in second, two signs are coming together. 10 minus minus 3. So whenever the two signs are coming together, you have to multiply them. When you will multiply minus with minus, you will get plus. So 10 plus 3 is 13. So plus 13 is your answer. Now see. Again 4 minus minus 2 is equal to 6. Again two signs are coming together. So you have to multiply them and it will become plus. Minus multiplied by minus is plus. So 4 plus 2 is 6. So 6 is your answer. Okay, here there are a few examples of first I will give you examples of addition of negative numbers. So 9 plus 5 is 14. 5 plus 9 is 14. Now 9 is a negative number and 5 plus minus. Two signs are coming together. So you multiply them. 5 minus 9. So 5 minus 9 mean that, in other words, you can say that minus 9 plus 5. You have to subtract 5 from 9 and you will get 4. You have to write the sign of the bigger number which is minus. So you will get minus 4. Now come in green. Minus 5 plus minus 9 is equal to 14. Minus 14. Okay, ji. Plus minus two signs are coming together. When you will multiply them, plus minus is minus. So it will become minus 5 minus 9. So minus 5 and minus 9 will be minus 14. You will add them because minus into minus is plus. So you will do the operation of addition and you will add 5 and 9 and you will get 14. And you have to write the sign of the bigger number which is minus. So you will put minus sign with it. So minus 14 is your answer. Now minus 5 plus 9. Again, plus minus is minus. You will do the operation of subtraction. You will subtract 5 from 9 and you will get 4. You have to write the sign of the bigger number. So with the bigger number, with 9, it's plus sign. So you write plus sign with 4. It will become plus 4. Now come on difference. Come on the subtraction of negative numbers. 9 minus 5. Then plus minus is minus. You will do the subtraction. You will subtract 5 from 9 and you will get 4. Here you have to write the sign of the bigger number and with 9 it's minus sign, so you will write minus sign with it. And 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Okay, I'm giving you the first example. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. With 9 it's plus sign, so that's why with 4 it's plus sign and you have to subtract 5 from 9 and you will get 4. Now come on 5 minus 9 is equal to 14. Minus minus is plus. So two signs are coming together, you have to multiply them. So 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. Now minus 9 minus 5. Minus minus is plus. So you will do the operation of addition. You will add 5 and 9 and you will get 14. You have to write the sign of the bigger number which is Okay, so here it is minus 5 minus minus 9 is equal to 4. Now two signs are coming together, you have to multiply them. Minus 5 plus 9 is equal to 4. So you have to subtract, minus plus is minus, so you will do the operation of subtraction. You will subtract 5 from 9 and you will get 4. You have to write the sign of the bigger number with 9. Here it is plus sign, so you will write plus sign. Okay ji, here minus 9 minus minus 5 is equal to minus 4. Minus 9 minus minus will become plus, so minus 9 plus 5 is equal to minus 4. Minus plus is minus, you will subtract 5 from 9 and you will get 4. You have to write the sign of the bigger number, so with bigger number with 9, here it is minus sign, so you will write minus sign with 4. Again minus 5 minus 9 is equal to minus 14. Minus minus is plus, so you will add 9 and 5 and you will get 14, and you have to write the sign of the bigger number. Bigger number is 9 and with 9 here it is minus sign, so you will write minus sign with it. In the same way 9 minus minus 5 is equal to 14. Minus minus is plus, so 9 plus 5 plus plus is plus, and 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. And you have to write the sign of the bigger number, which is already plus. Don't need to write the plus sign because a number without any sign means that it is having plus sign. I hope that today's lecture is clear to you. Take very good care of yourself, and thank you very much, and Allah Hafiz.